Introduction. Friends, today we will review MensXP Mud Shaving Cream, which has good natural ingredients and comes in premium shaving category. Let's start shaving. Ingredients. Let us look at the ingredients of MensXP Mud Shaving Cream. The natural ingredients used are Cupuacu butter, lemon extract, cocoa extract, sandalwood extract, caramel extract, cedarwood extract, vanilla extract, white musk extract, and amber extract. There are chemicals used, but thankfully there are no parabens, sulfates or ethanol used. Another good thing is that there is no use of synthetic fragrances or artificial colors. The fragrance of this shaving cream is mild, so it is good for people who don't like much fragrance in their shaving cream. The texture is light creamy. Demo. Let's start the shaving demo. My beard is 1 day old and I do shave on a daily basis. I will take the shaving cream in a normal quantity on the shaving brush, just like we take other shaving creams. I will now start making lather on my face. Always use a good shaving brush to make good lather. As you can see, the lather formed is quite good. By the way, the shaving razor I used is Gillette Pro Glide Fusion. I am able to shave comfortably. Any shaving cream creates a barrier between the razor and the skin. It raises the hair so that they can be cut easily for a smooth shave. A few more strokes and I will be done here. Well, I will now wash my face and check the results. As you can see here, the result is good and I am satisfied with my shave. Final words. MensXP Mud Shaving Cream is surely a premium product and works wonderfully. The MRP of MensXP Mud Shaving Cream is Rs 195 for 100 grams tube, but you can get it for less online. In case you wish to buy it, I will leave a buy link for you in the video description or pinned comment. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such useful videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.